Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us a newly launched soundbar from Boat, and it's the Boat Avante Bar 550. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will tell you how it performs. So starting with the unboxing, in the front of the box we have the model name Avante Bar 550. And here we have the picture of the soundbar. And here at this side, we can see you get 16 watt output and 2 EQ modes. The MRP of this soundbar is Rs 3,999. However, it's available to purchase right now for just Rs 1,999. And here at this side of the box, we can see some key features such as 4.5 hours of playback time, Bluetooth, micro SD card, and the aux support. You get a remote controller with this soundbar, and it also supports instant voice assistant. Now let's open the box and we'll show you the box content. So on the top we get this warranty card. And with this product, you get 1 year warranty. And below it, we have the nicely packed soundbar. And guys, keeping in mind the pricing, I find the packaging of this product very good. Now looking at the soundbar, my first impression about this soundbar is that it feels well built and the size is compact. We will look at this soundbar in a moment. Let's see what else we get in the box. So here we have the documentations, and we get a user guide, a product catalog from Boat, and you also get this sticker from Boat. There is also an accessory box in which you get the aux cable, micro USB charging cable, and the remote controller. The remote controller of this soundbar is of decent quality. And guys, you need to insert 2 AAA batteries which you don't get in the package. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the soundbar closely. Boat Avante Bar 550 is a budget soundbar. And in terms of the design and build quality, I find the design of this soundbar pretty good. And again, keeping in mind the pricing, I find the quality pretty good. In terms of the overview, in the front we have the Boat branding, and guys, you get dual passive radiator in this soundbar which can produce 16 watt output. And about the driver size, there are 250mm driver in this soundbar. About the ports and buttons, you get the backlit buttons on the top, and here we have the mode button, pause and play, volume, and the power button. The buttons on this soundbar are clicky, and you get a click sound when you press the buttons. At the back we have the ports, and here we have the aux port along with the USB, micro SD card slot, and the micro USB port for charging. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So the soundbar is on, and here we have it paired with our phone. Now let's test the sound quality. So guys, I have used this soundbar to play different genres of music, and here are my thoughts about the performance. So first of all, the output is loud and the vocals are clear, and you get good voice clarity. The bass is decent, it's not too bassy, but again, good enough for some casual music listening. There are 2 modes in the remote controller, and you have the bass mode and the balanced mode. The bass mode is decent, but you don't get too much bass with this. And I find the balanced mode good, especially for watching videos and movies. Overall, in terms of performance, it's loud, the vocals are clear, and the instrument separation is decent, and the bass is also good. And of course, keeping in mind the pricing, which is just under Rs 2000, I think it's definitely a good package. And one more thing we should tell you, that you get the instant voice assistant support in this bar, and with this, when you press the mic button on the remote, this will wake up the Google Assistant or Siri. How's the weather?
It's 20 and sunny. Today, it'll be sunny with a high of 21 and a low of 8.
The inbuilt mic on this soundbar comes handy for voice assistant and calls. Now talking about the battery, the 2200 mAh battery in this soundbar can last approximately 4 hours in one single charge. But one thing we should tell you, that you get the micro USB port for charging in this bar, which is little disappointing. So overall the Boat Avante Bar 550 offers good sound output, the design is good, and I find the build quality of this soundbar decent. Just this rubberized texture at the back is not my choice, as it gets dirty very easily. Apart from that, the sound output of this soundbar is good, especially if you're looking to use it for movies and casual music listening. The remote controller is also a plus point, and getting it in this price segment makes this soundbar overall value for money. And if you're in the market for a budget Bluetooth soundbar, then I highly recommend you to check out the Boat Avante Bar 550. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Boat Avante Bar 550. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this soundbar, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.